Dear viewers, this is Shashank and you're watching Maharashtra Headlines. In this show, we update you with the top news from the state of Maharashtra. Let's start with the show, but before that, if you're watching this on Facebook, do like our page, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe to HW News English. Mahayuti members resolve to win all Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra. Mahayuti constituents have resolved to win all the 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra at a dinner meeting late last night. Mahayuti leaders huddled at the Chief Minister's official residence Varsha late Thursday evening. Union Minister and RPI leader Ramdas Athavale, State BJP President Chandrasekhar Bawankule, NCP Ajit Pawar faction State Unit President Sunil Tatkare, National Working President Praful Patel, Bachchu Kadu of Prahar, Sadabhau Khot of Rayat Kranti Sanghatna, Vinay Kore of Jana Surajya Party, Hitendra Thakur of Bahukan Vikas Aghadi, and Jogendra Kawade of People's Republican Party were present at the occasion along with ministers, MPs and other leaders of various constituencies parties of the Mahayuti, reported the Free Press Journal. BJP poses questions to Rahul Gandhi over Adani Group. The Maharashtra unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party hit back at Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Thursday, calling him childish over the latter's allegations against industrialist Gautam Adani and his conglomerate, and linking them to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, reported the Midday. Maharashtra to experience below normal rainfall in September, IMD. After an absence of nearly a month in August, the rain is set to play truant yet again in September. A senior official from the Indian Meteorological Department, that is the IMD, said that there is no indication of good rain and the state will experience below normal rainfall in the coming days, reported the Hindustan Times. Woman jumps off building with 1-year-old son both dead. A woman allegedly jumped to death along with her 1-year-old son from a high-rise in Thane city of Maharashtra in the wee hours of Friday, police said, reported the print. India Alliance to unveil alliance logo today. The third meeting of the opposition alliance will continue for a second day in Mumbai today. The first day of the mega meet of 28 parties witnessed an informal conversation between allies to figure out a concrete game plan to take on the BJP-led NDA in the next year's poll. On the agenda today is the unveiling of the logo for the alliance as well as the announcement of a 11-member coordination committee and the possible appointment of a convener. The parties had on Thursday announced that a decision on seat sharing would be taken on September 30, reported the NDTV. That's it for this episode of Maharashtra Headlines. For more such news and updates, subscribe to HW News English.